Hello, my name is Dr. Mark Caldwell with Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians, and today we're going to be answering some questions about how to treat parasites in dogs. Together with my assistant Rebecca, we're going to get those taken care of for you.
Dr. Caldwell, what are the treatments for dog parasites?
Well, it really just depends on the parasite that you have. Now, if it's an internal or an external parasite, there's going to be different options, but even amongst those two categories, different bugs actually require different medications, and so it really just depends on which one you have.
If one pet has parasites, do all pets in the home need to receive treatment?
So that's actually a great question. The answer is sometimes, but not always. Okay. Now, there are certain parasites that are very easily transmitted between the same species, so dogs can spread it to other dogs. However, there's also certain parasites that will go from dog to dog, but also dog to cat. So if there is ever a concern about parasites, or if your dog or cat ever gets treated or tested for parasites, then we always recommend testing the other animals in the home as well to see if they need treatment too.
Can I get parasites from my dog?
Absolutely. People can actually get a lot of the parasites that dogs have.
Is there prevention for dog parasites?
Absolutely. Now, once again, it depends on the type of parasite, and the conversation that you have with you and your veterinarian can accurately get you that information.
Are parasitic infections serious or will they go away on their own?
Parasitic infections can be serious. Now, they can also go the whole spectrum from very mild and you didn't even know your dog had a parasite, but they can be very, very severe to where your dog is actually has a nutritional deficit because of that parasite. We always recommend annual fecal screening, even if your dog looks great, just to make sure we don't have anything. However, if your dog does break with diarrhea or has an upset stomach, then we always recommend a fecal testing right away just to make sure they don't have anything.
Can I use natural or over-the-counter treatments for my dog?
There are a few natural and over the counter treatments, but we don't really recommend them because they haven't been proven to really work. If your dog does need parasite medication, we always recommend getting it through a veterinarian or a licensed pharmacy.
What can I do at home to treat or prevent parasite infestations?
Well, once again, it really just depends on the type of parasite, but really going back to basics is going to be important. Making sure that they don't eat things that they're not supposed to. If they go to dog parks and they eat poop, try to avoid that as best as possible. If they go to the bathroom, make sure you clean it up as fast as possible as well. If you have any other questions, give us a call at Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians.